Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your headphones Philips using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. Then, at the right ear cup, we have also USB-C port. So connect the second USB-C cable right at this port. Now, the most important is this LED light near to the charging port, meaning that your headphones are charging. So, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!